Hey, happy, you know what? The groundhog did not see his shadow today, I don't think. There was too much snow and he stayed in the house, but so that's why I'm gonna sit here and get rid of it. Here we go. And I have to put on my mask and my face and all that stuff because I have no. I know you did. Whew. That's you get it out now before the trucks move. It's better. Recorded this instead of walking at the mall today. But happy February! So, I'm covered in snow, head stuff. It is a really coming down day. Still is fun though. I miss snow days like this once in a while. There's Amelia's house. There's the pink garage. And there's my house. All right, I'm going in to get warm and make cookies.